Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Easy Accounting. Thank you for coming to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and today we are going to study accounting cycle. Accounting cycle is the process of recording and process the financial transaction of a business from the start of the transaction to the final stage in the financial statements. However, bookkeepers are normally in the custody of this financial transaction to keep track of the accounting. However, there are stages of recording this accounting cycle. So we have said is from the start, from the beginning of the transaction to the end of the transaction. So we are going to talk about the stages, that is the cycle that we have to know that the accounting transaction is going to occur. The first one is that there are transactions. So this is the process of recording all the financial transactions that occur in the business. We record all the expenses, all the revenue, the sales, and all the transactions that incur in the business. And also, the next stage is the journal entry. This is the book of original entry where we record all the financial transactions first before we post them into the next record. As the next stage is the ledger account. So this is the recording of all the journal. Like I said, the journal is the first book of entry where we record all the transactions. Now we are going to proceed to the ledger. So the ledger is where we post all the journal entry into the ledger for us to keep accurate and complete record. However, we have different type of ledger. We have general ledger, accounts receivable ledger, accounts payable ledger, and payroll ledger. So the next stage of our accounting cycle we are going to talk about is the trial balance. Trial balance is the recording of all the financial transactions from the ledger. I said they are in cycle. We start from the transaction to journal to ledger to trial balance. Now we proceed to trial balance. So the trial balance is the recording of all the debit entry to the debit side and the credit entry to the credit side. And as I've said, there should be corresponding, every debit side must have a corresponding credit side. And the next stage of the accounting cycle is the entry adjustment. Here we make all the necessary adjustments that are needed to be done in the financial reports, and then we now report them into the financial statement. These are the profit and loss accounts, the financial position, the equity shareholder accounts, and the cash flow account. And the final entry is where we now make sure that all our books are recorded accurately and perfectly, no omission, and everything is done accurately. So, and the last one is reversing, in case we have to change anything. That is the reversing entry, where we just reverse the journal to make it that all the debit entry must equivalent to the credit entry. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. I hope to see you next in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.